In order to create wealth and business amongst the less privileged in some Ghanaian communities, Directaid Ghana has taken it upon themselves to set up people with businesses in order for them to have a reliable source of income. Individuals have been identified by Directaid for such business support program. The beneficiaries receive fridges, assorted drinks, bag of cold store meat and chickens, among other things, which serve as a seed capital for business startups. A little ceremony held in Medina to hand over the items. Mr. Khalid Musa Abdullah praises Directaid for such a move to elevate people's standards in society.
I would like to express profound gratitude to Directaid Society that has provided this item to the needy in Medina Zongo. These items actually are very costly, and Directaid Society has done very so much to help the people, the needy of Medina Zongo. I hope they will put it in good use to help themselves in their businesses. We thank Almighty Allah so much for Directaid for giving us these items.
Human Resource Manager, Directaid Ghana, Suleiman Adam, has underscored the need for such startups business support program.
Well, the reason why we've started putting up businesses for people is that we don't want people to go out begging. Sometimes we may see people dressed, they are well dressed, but then in the pocket is very dry, and then the person will be suffering within himself, but then the person can't tell you. So we try as much as possible to identify those kind of people, then we assist them. So that even the Quran also said that there are among your believers that's talking to the Holy Prophet that there are certain people they don't even have, but you never know. La saluna nas el hafa, they don't ask also. So you, as a Muslim or a brother, you have to identify such kind of people, then you assist them. So we are assisting them so that they will not go out begging or they will not end up doing something which is not appropriate. We are presenting 6 different business opportunities today in Zongo for our brothers and sisters to start something with it. So that's mainly why we are here today, to present this kind of item to assist our brothers to start up something with. This is not our first time of doing it. Last year, for instance, we were able to execute 27 programs of such kind. Some of them are mainly in the villages, but this time around we decided to do some in the cities so as to also let our brothers and sisters in the city who are not all that well to also get something to start up with. So today, we are starting with this project, and then as time goes on, and this year we are planning to do more than 100, because next week we are going to do some, and that one will be rearing of goats. We are going to be distributing that one around Dodua area, and then next coming week, before we enter Ramadan, we are planning to also distribute some cows for some of our brothers around Ashama. So this year we are ready. We want to do more than 100 before the close of the year.
Some of the beneficiaries, mostly women, could not hide their feelings as they openly thanks Directaid for coming to their aid in this moment of need. They spoke in the local language.
Ina yi muku fata alheri da abin da kuka ba muna. Muna godiya. An bani fridge, milk, kalipo da shinkafa. Ina yi muku godiya. Allah ya sa muku da alheri. Na samu kudi da yawa cikin. Na yan samu kudin dokin duba kaina. Na yan samu kudin duba da kanina da sauransu. Ina yi musu godiya da abin da suka yi muna.
Ina gode ma Directaid abin da suka yi muna duka. Mun gode musu. Awayen da suke share muna kullum mun gode.
Na gode ma Directaid da suka bani wanga kaya. Allah ya sa albarka. Inda suka ce Allah ya kara, Allah ya bar su je gaba. An bani gujiya, masara, mewa, dan wake, soya beans, shinkafa da mewa. Allah ya sa albarka. An kara muna kaza kuma da kifi. Allah ya sa albarka. Inda suka ce Allah ya kara. Sun tanye mu sosai. Na yan samu amfani nan na samu duba da yara na da family na. Allah ya sa albarka.
Directaid is poised into moving to other areas in this business support programs. Abdullah Shamun Bako.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.